Have a piece of old scrap oak laying around? Don't just toss it, transform it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn this leftover chunk of hardwood into 3 awesome DIY profitable gift ideas. All handmade, all meaningful, and all potential products that you could sell. With some creativity and a little time, you can produce 3 amazing gifts and reduce your waste pile. We'll set this aside to dry and we'll come back to it later. For the next piece, we want a roughly 4-inch square. This is the bit we want to keep, and then we're going to utilise what's left here with the last product. So let's get this cut first. So I'm going to sand this down to 120 grit by hand. I'm going to start with, I'm going to sand it down to 180 grit by hand. Then I'm going to start with some 120. Won't take a lot anyway. So what we're going to do with the bottom. In a previous project, you might remember I did a watch box and I flock lined it. It's this flock, sticky flock material. I'm just going to put that on the bottom. So what I'll do, some nice sharp scissors. Okay, so that's come up quite nice. Just need to put a channel in it and we're good to go. cut a piece of scrap at the 20-degree angle to help sand the channel. Going to jump in here, guys. When I transferred the files from my phone to my PC yesterday, my phone was full. The transfer looked to be fine. Deleted the videos off my phone, only to find this morning that half the files are corrupt and some are missing. Particular ones were creating of the tray, creating a template to actually do this routing out with the pattern bit. It was a multi-part template which actually made the job fairly simple, so I might do that as a video later on. But yeah, finishing it, filling the void with resin, all those videos are corrupt. So I'm going to jump to the end of the video where I talk about the finances, what these pieces might be worth if you was to sell them on Etsy, and also show you a bonus piece that I had in mind because I wanted to use as much of the wood as possible. Yeah, sorry about that. On to the rest of the video. I'm just applying the finish now. I'm using my old faithful, the old beeswax pure turpentine. I've had this for many years. I'm just going to be a little bit careful when it comes to onto the fake flocking. I'm very happy with them as a set. I think they're lovely, and I'm going to show you the bonus item and the bonus piece. Big chunky oak keyring. Shockingly, the price of this keyring on Etsy is about £13. Now, from that little piece of scrap, we've made 4 items. The tray on Etsy, I'm going to show you the seller's listing. Goes for around £25 of this size. The mobile stand goes for about £20 of an equivalent size that'll also hold a tablet. And the coaster I can only find in sets of 4 for £37.50, I think it was. It's there anyway. So I've rounded that down and divided by 4, so that's about £9. And as I say, £13 for the keyring, but if I said £8 for the keyring, for those 4 items from that piece of scrap, it comes to £62 for a piece of scrap. And I've still got enough to make another keyring. So we could say £70. So these could be sold as a set or individually. Obviously individually they'll make more money, but as a set you're getting and moving out all the products at once. So I think I'm going to sell them for £35, £40 for the set of 3. Probably sell the keyring individually for £5. There's definitely a decent profit in there considering that was just a piece of scrap.